Hey, one time for the one time, it is your girl Minnie and I am back at it with another flipping video. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get notified anytime when you upload it. So you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. I'm thinking about the other channel. But yeah, so yeah, if you haven't read the title, I am doing another boxycharm. And I'm guessing this is the November boxycharm because it say harvest on it. But why did they give me a box in the beginning of the month? I'm so confused. Like, I got 3 boxes so far and I ordered in October. So why I got 3 boxes so far, I don't know. They gave me a NATASHA DENONA 20% off the site. So I guess I'll be using that soon. And if you want to know where I got this hair from, I will leave the link down below. These barrettes, I will link it down below. This outfit, I will link that down below as well. So if you want to see how I did this makeup look or what's inside my boxycharm, then let's get right into this video. I got a stain on my shirt. But anyway, yeah, so let's get into this boxycharm. I'm gonna go in order. So this is the NATASHA DENONA Pink 5 eyeshadow palette. A 5-pan palette featuring NATASHA's essential everyday warm tone eye pigments that she mixes and matches from her favorite palettes. All recognized and wrapped into one. Composed of both creamy mattes and metal formulas from the cult classic Biba, Safari, and Sunrise eyeshadow palette. You'll find yourself reaching for this all season long. And this was $48. $48 for 5 shades? That's how that's looking like. You see this? I don't know if you can see that. Bruh. Alright, so next one is the Dr. Branded Antioxidant Spray Toner. This toner is packed with an antioxidant rich blend of green tea and white tea to shield your skin from free radicals and environmental stressors. It's formulated with red rose wine and lotus flower extract to tone, smooth, and purify, leaving the skin feeling soft, hydrated, and revitalized. And this is $40. And this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna have to really try my face stuff out. Next one is a Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow Plus Volumizing Eyebrow Gel. I already did my eyebrows, so I don't know if this is supposed to go over the finished eyebrow or what. Let's see. This tinted eyebrow gel contains tiny microfibers that adhere to the skin and hairs, creating natural looking fullness and definition. The custom tiny tapers brush provides easy, mesh-proof application. Poof! Fuller looking brows magically appear. And this was $24. If you guys have tried this before, let me know down below. I don't know why I did that. And then the next thing is Half Caked Game Changer Lip Fondant Trio. These lips fondant liquid lipsticks go on with a feather-like texture and dry completely matte for the best wear, and make sure lips are exfoliated and hydrated before applying. $32. This is cute. I love the packaging of it. It's like a card game. Oh, why did it look like that? That looked like... But these are the 3 colors right here. Nude Season. But this packaging looked like the MAC packaging. Was this a collab? I don't remember if this was a collab with MAC. This one is Theme Song. Ooh, look at that. Theme Song looks like it's gonna be my favorite. This is Low Key. Gotta keep it low key for these hoes. Low Key is up top. And this is Bordeaux. Bordeaux is down here. These are cute colors. And the last thing is AMHARA Ultimate Eye Sculptures. Define your eyes like never before with these all-star brushes, especially designed to apply and blend cream and powder shadows with ultimate precision. The beautiful metallic rose gold color is sure to make this duo stand out on your vanity. $15. Ooh, now this is cute. It's very lightweight, but these are cute. Gonna get into the eyeshadow portion. Yeah, I'm just gonna go straight into the NATASHA DENONA and go into this color right here and just put that into the crease. This is like a nice fall palette. Now that I have that, I'm gonna use the same brush. Gonna go into this nice autumn shade and just put it right here. That showed up real quick. Then I'm gonna go into this brown shade that's in the middle and try to deepen this thing. Using the same brush. Go back in with that orange shade. Back into that brown. So now let's cut the crease. I'm gonna use this shade right here. I don't like the harsh line, so I'm gonna blend that. I'm gonna go back in with this shade right here. So now that I have that, I'm gonna do the other eye and be right back. So I did my face and everything. I couldn't find my baby hair brush. I mean, this is for baby hairs too, but this brush is hard, and I have a special baby hair brush that I usually use that I love, and I can't find it, so hopefully my baby hairs is intact. But yeah, I got this wig from, this is the Freedom Part Lace Front Wig for one. I did a review on it. I will leave the link down below. So yeah, I just put it into a ponytail, got my edges out. I tried because I don't have my actual brush, and I did a fishbone braid. I got these barrettes from my friend's cousin. I will leave the link down below. I think it's Tori Shanis. I will leave the link down below where I got these barrettes from. So yeah, let's get into the lips. So I'm gonna use the lips that they gave me in the box, which is this lip right here. This is Theme Song. I definitely overline. Hopefully she's giving what she's giving in the bottle. This definitely have a dip in it, like where the product could be. So then I'm gonna put on my Aaliyah lip gloss per usual. So then I'm gonna put this nice shimmery shade and put it in the inner corner. If it doesn't pop as much as I want it to, then I'm gonna try something else. Let me spray my face using the NYX Matte Finish. I'm loving this. Okay, sis. Oh, I did that. I'm gonna use my Starstruck in the shade Belle. Yeah, so that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. Let me know you guys' feedback. And yeah, until next time. Peace. I would like to get to know you.